All right, building a PC for my church. This is literally the first PC I've ever built, so it's gonna be fun. We got a Ryzen 5 3600, an ASRock B450 Steel Legend, a terabyte M.2 NVMe drive, EVGA 600 watt power supply, an NZXT H510 for the case. And we're still waiting on the RAM and the GPU, so I'm gonna be borrowing this old GPU, which I don't even know exactly what it is, but it's AMD Radeon. And then I just borrowed this 8 gigs of RAM from my personal PC. So I finished the build. I did encounter a problem with the RAM. Apparently the RAM I was trying to test with was not compatible, so I'll have to wait till I actually get the RAM, and then we will swap this graphics card out for an RX 580. Thanks for watching, bye!